Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 308 GT line. So this car benefits from the black pack upgrade, which gives you the black front grille, 18-inch alloy wheels and trim around the windows. You also get this lovely panoramic glass roof, tinted rear windows, there's front and rear parking sensors with the 180-degree reversing camera. Inside the car you've got the touchscreen that features 3D navigation, as well as DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. And some of the other features of this car include dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This is a pre-registered vehicle, it's only done delivery miles. It comes with a 1.5 litre Blue HDA engine that gives you 130 horsepower and there's a 6-speed manual gearbox. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.